This video help you understand the property generated by the two parallel lines and the transversal line, and it is especially for the beginners who really want to know the improvement of their knowledge in particular area. So let's start. In this video you will learn what is parallel lines, and then you will be able to learn transversal line, and about angles you will learn corresponding angle, alternate angle, vertically opposite angle, and what are interior angles. And after that you are given a question, a simple question, which will be consist of the knowledge you have learned just now. So award yourself 10 out of 10 when you do the same question correctly. I will solve this question at the end of the video, so it will help you understand either you have done right or wrong. So do pay attention and be concentrated here, so you can get 10 out of 10 just in 5 minutes. So let's start. What is parallel line basically? Parallel line are the lines, which maybe are 2 or 3 lines which do not touch each other, do not meet each other at any instant. Suppose the distance between the two lines, AB is the line and other line is CD, and it has the distance of say 2 centimeter. So anywhere in this section, every section will have the distance is 2 centimeter, or every instance. Suppose here as well, the distance between the two lines must be equal to 2 centimeter. So that they are called parallel line. Their slope must be equal everywhere. Okay, number 1 is there. And the property generated by the parallel line when it intersect by one line, and this line or this line, when it cut, it called the transversal line. Let's see next video. Transversal line. The transversal line is the line which cut two parallel lines, and it is transversal line, and they are parallel line. Parallel line. So now in next video we will see the angle generated by these two lines, parallel lines and the transversal line, and what are the name of these angles and how they are equal with each other. So in slide this you will see the correspondence angle. Now what are the correspondence angle? Correspondence angle are the angle which is generated by the transversal line and the parallel line, which connect transversal line and parallel line, this angle. And this angle is also a correspondence angle, and both are same. They are correspondence angle, corresponding angle, and they are same. Suppose it is 125 degree, so it must also be 125 degree. And similarly, these are correspondence angle. This is transversal to the parallel line and transversal to the parallel line. So they are also called the corresponding angle. Okay, now we will talk about other angle, and let's see. This is alternate angle. So what is alternate angle? We have learned about the correspondence angle. So alternate angle are the angle. These are two correspondence angle we learned before. And what are the alternate angle? So alternate angle are the angle which is made by this internal part of parallel line and the transversal line connected with this and this. These two angles are alternate angle. So this is connected by the parallel line to the transversal line, parallel line to the transversal line, but they are internal side and they are equal. So they both are called alternate angle, and both are same. So if it is say suppose it is not measured, suppose it is 40 degree, so it must also be 40 degree as well. Okay, now In next slide you will learn what is vertically opposite angle. Actually, when two lines are crossing each other, so it make a cross, so these two angles are vertically opposite and they are same. Similarly, these two angles, this angle and this angle, they are also vertically opposite and they are also same. Suppose it is say 40-degree angle, so it must also be 40-degree because it is vertically opposite to this angle. And similarly, if it is say 140-degree, so this angle must also be 140-degree because of vertically opposite. Now in this scenario, these two are vertically opposite and these two are also vertically opposite. Similarly, one more place, they can be vertically opposite here. These two are vertically opposite and these two are also vertically opposite. So you have learned the correspondence angle, these two are the correspondence angle, and the vertically opposite is these two are the vertically opposite, and vertical they are the alternate angles. Sorry, these two are the alternate angle and these two are vertically opposite. Okay, now in the next slide we'll learn about interior angles. These two are interior angles, both are internal side. These two are internal angle, and here it is. These two are interior angle, and the sum of these two angle, sum of this angle must be equal to 180-degree. Suppose this angle is of 140-degree. This is 140-degree, so it must be 40-degree, and the sum of their angle, the two internal angle, must be equal to 180-degree. It is very simple video and very simple lecture. It is all about this parallel line and the transversal line, and now you are able to solve a basic question which is given in next slide. So try it, and the question says find the unknown in the figure. So unknown is basically this angle, and actually unknown is A 8-degree and B is B-degree. So these are the unknown and we have to find this. So try it and pause the video and do it yourself, and I do it for you for your convenience to check it in this in next slide. I'm going to solve this in next slide. So when you complete it, check it and give yourself 10 out of 10 marks if you are correct. Okay, now we have to find A and B. It is one, we have to find A degree, and in part 2 we have to find B degree. So we can write this is 180, so it must also be 108, so it must also be 108 degree, so because of correspondence angle. And you see these two angles are vertically opposite, so we can write, we solve first second part first. So 3B degree must be equal to 108 degree, so B degree must be equal to 108, this divided by 3, we can cut it for the simplification, so it becomes quite easy. 3 3 is a 9, 3 6 is 18, 3 1 is 3. So B degree must be equal to, so B degree must be equal to 36 degree. Okay, now first part we have done, and for the first A degree, you see sum of the angle on a straight line is 180 degree. Suppose here is the line and you put the protractor here, so angle are marked from 0 to 180 degree, and so whatever the angle is here, x and y, when we add them together, x plus y, so it must be equal to 180 degree. So here this is the straight line, and when we add two angle here, so it must be equal to 180. So 108 degree plus 8 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 8 degree is equal to 180 minus 108. So 8 degree must be equal to 72 degree. So it is all about this slide, about this video, and I am sure you must have got some basic knowledge, and do practice it and you will be comfortable solving this type of question, and more complicated question will be given in next video, and I am sure you will be able to do it comfortably.